Just recently, real recently, like 2 minutes ago, I received a package. Actually two. One was not supposed to come today, but I got it today. And, that's one of my EDC bags. But we're going on a trip. We're doing a family trip. And I wanted to get something. And there goes an orb. Alright. Guess the ghost girl is here. We were going on a trip. And I wanted a big bag to take. So let's get into the one that came unexpectedly. Big Gerber fan right here. This is the Gerber dime. Got for like $5 at Kmart. They were closing. They are closed. So, and then I saw this for $10. I tried my best to do it with one hand, and I did. It's the, let's see if I can find a name for it. It's the, wow. It's the Gerber suspension. Suspension. Why can't I say that? But it is used, so do gotta tighten that. But the big multi-tool. Let's see what's this button do. Looks like what's this button do? Oh. Let me get something because this is really cool. Oh, this is wow, Chris, you just ruined the whole video, Chris. Wow. Okay. Apparently, if you hold, there's no button on the side. Hold this. Hang on. Okay, the buttons. I thought this was a knife. Now I can't even get it out. It was out. You get this thing. There's two buttons. Why am I so bad at doing this today? I have no idea why I'm so bad at doing this. So that button has like the key ring on it. Little saw that's very, very dull. I mean, I'm grabbing it real hard. That sounded weird. No homo. And it wasn't even cutting me. To be honest, I don't know what most of these tools are. See the buttons, they close the blade. That's cool. Because my other multi-tool I have doesn't do that. It closes when it wants to close. Like every time I'm trying to do something with it. Oh, there you go. Knife is somewhat sharp. There's another saw. That one's somewhat sharp. Did I say soft on the other one? Somebody please correct me because I meant sharp. I believe these go. Nope, But I do have a holster for that. Why couldn't I not think of that? And if you don't believe me, I'm not a Gerber fan. I get my Gerber knife And I don't think they make these anymore. What do they do there? Not like this Gerber shard. Ford Gerber stuff. This was given to me, so my stepdad won it in a contest. And yes, it's been used a lot. Okay, now what was that? Oh yeah. Now we're going to the big box. What? That's canvas. Let's see what brand it is. I can't read it. New Outlander. I have no idea what New Outlander is. No idea. Oh, yeah, that can be easily sewn back together. Did say the button was ready to rip, so. And it could be. Sorry for that close up on my sock. Hey, just to say, these pockets are very deep. I fit a fist in there. Man, Crash, you're all kinds of kinky up in here. Flagged! Alright, I'm gonna get flagged for just saying kinky. Probably see my dog. And inside, I fit my whole arm in there. It's got a pocket there. Got a few pockets here. Sorry, I'm trying to use the flashlight. You're all probably throwing up on me. I'll say. That's pretty cool. Yeah, pockets here. Just spit all over my camera. Good God. And I wanted to build an EDC bag. So it looks like I got room for everything. Everything I really wanted to put in there. Oh, last night modified my mag light. I took one of the big bulky batteries, one of those brick batteries, took it apart, put the batteries in here. I can say that was not the safest thing I done, but I did it. Yes, I did. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, so didn't get everything in here. Just want to say I got get that snap there. I got a flashlight in here, Write and Rain notebook, first aid kit, and my journal that has my medical stuff. Not things, all my medication I take and everything. Did I put anything in this pocket? No. Got a charger for my 2DS. I put anything else? No. I still got all of them. I'm probably gonna put stuff in here. I'm probably gonna put all my chargers and cords in here. Because I got my Skullcandy Crushers that need headphones if I want to plug them on my 2DS. I think I can put this in here. I don't think I want to. And this pocket right here. And I keep spitting on my phone. So if it cuts out, probably because I spit on my camera and it glitched. And I'm gonna, on the road trip, we're gonna be on a car for 8-9 hours. I'm gonna put my wallet in this little pocket right here. little packet here. I'm not sitting on my wallet for 8-9 hours. Probably gonna be in my pajamas, to be honest. I'm not taking that, just want you to know. Let's see here. Notebook. I need to keep track of what I buy. I know it looks like a journal. It looks like a journal, Chris. Oh, it's not. Lantern. One of the best lanterns I got for $9. And I figured out why it was $9. If you set it down too hard, it kind of turns off by itself. And why is there so many orbs going around my room? See, let's wait for another one. Oh, there goes. My room is haunted, apparently. I believe it. Don't tell me this lantern put that much weight in it. No. The lantern barely I don't know what the heck that made it weigh so much. I'm barely got it. Don't have food in it. Not yet. I gotta go to CVS because they got granola bars I really like. They're salted caramel cashews, I think. They're so good. Alright, I'll be right back. Oops, sorry, I just sat on my dog's head. Poor dog. Alright. These are my 2 box cutters. And you're probably wondering, why 2 box cutters? Well, that one's got a seatbelt cutter. Well, they both have a seatbelt cutter. In case we get into an accident or crash, I can easily hand this off to somebody else while I'm cutting myself out. And then they can, why the heck did that look orange? So, you can, get a crash and the front seat, somebody's stuck, you hand them this one, and someone in the back seat, cut yourself out, cut them out first, then yourself, or whatever. So, faster seatbelt cutting. Don't know where I'm going to put these. Don't know what pocket to put them in. I think I'll put them in this pocket over here. This pocket. And tools. It's just basic tools. And why do you keep sticking? No, I can't say that. Never mind. Just your basic tools. These up here fixed. I use on my pocket knives if I needed to tighten a bolt or a screw. Because for some reason they perfectly fit. So I'm going to take a tool. It's called a candy cord. Well, the charging one. I have the other one in here, the aux cord. Alright, right back. And I can't forget my girl. Yeah, my girl. My girl Siri. She's old. She's an iPad 2. iPad mini 2. Yeah, she's old. And if you want to see baby, this is baby Siri. iPod Touch. Yeah, this is a dinosaur. Doesn't have Siri on it. It has voice control. Which was beta for Siri. In case you guys didn't know that. Oh, I still fit more in here. What am I else gonna put in here? Well, I gotta save room for my favorite hospital blanket. My doggies are sleeping. That's my buddy. Oh. Like I said, this is a fucking ton. Language, Chris. Language. What if I take this out? No? Language, Christopher. Wow. All I had to do was make something staring up straight to make it like 15 minutes of you looking at my dog and look at all those orbs. I didn't know you guys were still on. Oh. Can't forget your bacon jerky. Jack Links. Good stuff. Definitely putting that in there. Definitely put that in there. Hey, it's mine. Wow, my dog looked evil. So I took a lot of stuff. This is my EDC bag. I'm putting more stuff in it, but I don't want to burn up my phone because it feels like it's about to burst in flames. Alright, bye.